Hey guys, welcome back to our course. Today we are not going to learn characters and words, and we are going to take a break. And what we focus on today is five tone. It's hard too. I have to say this at first, but it's very important, especially for those beginners who is going to try to learn how to pronounce Chinese. You need to learn this first because there's a lot of Chinese characters. They have almost the same pronunciation, but with different tone, and they have totally different meaning. For example, mom, ma, horse, ma, and one is mom, one is horse. You don't want to mispronounce each of them to another one. It's very important, just like in English, you don't want to mispronounce E to I. For example, beach and bitch. You need to make sure that you pronounce it right. For example, horse and hoe, you don't want to mispronounce it in English, and in Chinese, five tone is so important for you. It's a little bit hard, but anyway, Chinese is hard. All you need is just put some effort on it and make it to the best. Anyway, today I'm going to point it out what's different between them, and we're going to do some training together. Promise you, it's a little bit hard, but it's not impossible. And let's start it. Five tone practicing. Well, I've said that. Anyway, let's start. First tone, flat. Take as an example. Don't pronounce it as or In Chinese, we pronounce it a. And in flat tone, it is simple as a. Remember, don't change your tone. It's just keep on a. And second tone is rise tone, and we take a as example. It is a. From a to a. And third tone, fall, then rise. Fourth tone, just directly fall. It's like you're saying wait. And light tone, And then there's a law of it, but anyway, I think to learn it by the law is harder than just simply mimic it or just recite it again and again. But anyway, we should look at it and see how it forms, okay? So first, this is length, and this is pitch. And here, I forgot to translate. This is low, this is high, this is medium, and this is between low and medium. This is between medium and high. So let's look at the first tone, flat. It is take as example again. So the highest tone in this formula is so it's and then the second tone here, rise from 3, which is the middle of it, and to 5, the highest point is from to Don't remember the beginning pitch or the highest pitch. Don't try to remember like Don't try to remember it like singing. You don't need to, because after times of training, you can just remember it naturally. And then third tone is from 2 and then to 1, 4, and then rise to 4. It's a little bit hard. And then fourth tone, falling tone, is from 5, the highest, to the lowest, 1. It's from to Okay, let's just stop it. After knowing how to form, the most important part is just to repeat it. And first, we have these 4 characters, which have different meanings. Ma, which means mom. Ma means linen, material, not linen. And ma, horse. Ma, scald. Any of these words have totally different meaning if you mispronounce it and will directly mislead in your whole sentence, right? Anyway, let's start from this. Ma, ma, read after me. Ma, 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 ma. And then second one, ma, 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 ma. Again, ma, 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 relax. Ma, 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 ma. And then level 2, huo, which means give up. And it have other meanings too. Huo, which means leave. Huo, fire. Huo, commodity. First, huo, 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 huo. Second one, huo, 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 fire. Huo, huo, huo. And then fire. Huo, 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 huo. Commodity. Huo, 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 huo. Again. Huo, 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 huo. And then level 3, don't pronounce it as Chen. There's no Chen in Chinese. There is no Chen in Chinese. There is Qing. There's no Chen. There's no Chung. Okay. And Chang, Chang, Chang. Because there's no this kind of pronunciation in Chinese, so there's no Chen. There is ang, qiang, qiang. So flatten, qiang. This means guns. Qiang, qiang. And this one means wall. This one means to grab. And this one means choke. Totally different meaning. Second one, second tone, rising, remember it? Qiang, qiang, relax. Qiang, read after me. Qiang, qiang, ang, qiang, qiang. Third tone, qiang, qiang. Again, qiang. Fourth one, qiang, qiang. Remember, I just used wait. It sounds alike. But for other tone, there's no directly same English pronunciation related to it. There's some alike, but not totally same, so I don't want to misleading you. Qiang, qiang, qiang. Read after me. Qiang. And qiang, 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 qiang. Again, qiang, qiang, 枪墙墙墙墙墙墙呛呛 So do some review. Ma, read after me. Ma 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 豁豁活活火火或或枪枪墙墙抢抢呛呛 And then our test today. Don't pronounce it as 你好. It is 你好. And very important part here, there's another rules. Don't pronounce it as 你, although it is third tone. Because if there is two third tones and they are side of each other, you should pronounce the first third tone into tone like it's close to second tone. The faster you pronounce it, the more it sounds like second tone. So it's 你好. Second tone 你好, but not 你好. And it's not 你好. Okay? So this is kind of hard. Remember the rules. If there's a word and it's with two second tone, you should pronounce the first character into second tone. It is slightly different, but just pronounce it into second tone. That's not a big deal, okay? Just pronounce it into second tone and pronounce it fast, and it's just totally correct, okay? 你好，你 pronounce it in second tone. 你好，好，你好，你好，你好，你好，你好. And don't be afraid, like there's so many rules, and there's another rules I didn't mention. Because the most important thing is that the rules are fixed because you can pronounce it easier. People are not saying we are going to pronounce it as this. It's just because people find that if they say 你好, it's so tired. So how can we pronounce it like easily, smoothly? 你好. It's better than 你好. You don't need to brace that much. 你好. It's tiresome. Anyway, just take me as an example because I heard it so many times and I repeat it so many times in my daily life. I know it so much early before I learn it in primary school. Like our teacher teaches in school, but most of us already know it because we speak it a lot of times. There's nobody like just tell us you need to pronounce it into second tone because it's before third tone, blah blah blah. It's just because like everybody is saying like that, and we just feel like it's easier to pronounce it like that. And when teacher mentioned it in class, oh, I know that. It's that easy. So what you need to do now is just simply repeat, and repeat to mimic. So the first thing you need to do is to be perfect at 5 tone. I didn't mention light tone in this class because the light tone is so easy. You don't need to add the tone because you just simply pronounce it with the breath. And I think people in every country can pronounce that. And what I hope is you guys to do more practicing and do more reviews about this course and to repeat again and again. And don't recite so many phrases and words and sentences before you master this, or it will take a lot of time in vain. Anyway, see you next course. Bye!